Hi guys, in this video I'm going to use the option rib in CREO parametrics. There are two types of ribs available in CREO parametrics. They are trajectory and profile rib. First I'm going to use the trajectory rib. I'm taking this example. First I'm selecting the surface. Then I'm going to sketch. First I need reference. Then you see this. These types of ribs increase the strength of the material like plastic. Next we are going to move on to profile rib. For this I'm selecting this plane, going to use profile rib. I'm changing it into hidden lines. I need some reference. I'm going to draw the profile. I'm using spline to make a curved profile. Then OK. Next I change it to shading with edges. We have to change the direction. That's it. You have created the profile rib. Thank you guys for watching this.